Welcome to Scoutledge Pop. My name is Scoutledge, and thank you for watching my channel today. As you know, if you've seen my videos before, I like to showcase things that make life a little bit easier for me since I'm in a wheelchair. One thing I have to do every day, I had to go ahead and shave every single day, or else I get a little bit of a beard going. These are the razors I've used. Well, actually, this particular razor right here, I've used that razor before. It is probably about 3 years old, so the battery doesn't hold up that well. The shaving head, I need to replace the shaving head again, so I just all together went ahead and bought a new razor. The new razor is this model right here. Here in a little bit, I will discuss what the pros and cons are of each razor. Anyway, let me go ahead and get started. Like I mentioned before, this here is my old razor. This is the one that I've used for probably good, I'd say 4 years now. Anyways, the battery's gotten to where the battery doesn't want to charge that long. I have replaced the full cutting head on the top a few times, but this one here is getting fairly weak. So I need to go ahead and replace this one as well. Like I said, it was time to go ahead and get a new razor, so I did buy this new one here. Anyways, this one does have features on it that I liked a little bit more. And one thing before I forget, both of these razors are through Braun. I like the Braun idea, but simply because the base here of these chargers, they're actually self-cleaning razors. So they do clean themselves. You just have to put one of these blue things in it that has all alcohol cleaning fluid to it. You end up replacing those probably out once a month or so. Me, I actually found I could make them last a little bit longer by simply not charging up the razor every day, but the Braun people tell me that you should charge it up every day, which is part of the thing. I did not do it to make it last longer. Plus, the things are about $10 a piece, so I was doing what I could to save a little money. One thing that I did like about the old razor here, if I can slide it out there, and of course, whenever I'm doing the video, that's when things go wrong. But anyway, normally you can just slide the jump out fairly easy with one hand. I do like that part. So because I could use this part of the razor whenever I had to trim the sideburns or some of the hairs on my neck and all, I could use that part. This razor overall, it would be back and forth. Really, it helped to control whenever I shave my head. It would adjust my neck and all that fairly well. But like I said, this is my old razor. The new razor I have, so the pros and cons to it, it does not have that little adapter like I showed you a while ago. Drop that razor altogether. It does have the little adapter on the back that I can actually slide out to cut my sideburns and all that. But overall, this razor, the head on it, does have a lot more flexibility to it. You can basically adjust my face more so better than what my old razor that I dropped on the floor can do. But anyways, whenever I shave, this one needs to get the hair a little bit closer, so I really don't need to use that separate razor on there. But like I said, that thing was nice to have, but this one works out fairly well. I do miss that part, but it is what it is. As far as the chargers go, I do realize when I had the old charger, put the razor into it, and if I did hit the buttons just right, if they did make contact with the charger, I didn't know about that. With the new one here, sort of locks itself into place up here. You have to hit a button here on top to release the razor and also get to charge. Anyways, I'll like that feature. I'm still taking a little bit to get used to, but overall I do like it. Again, it's going to take a blue tray or one of these liquid things at the bottom there, the base thing tray or the same liquid. Goes in there, charges, plays the razor. Overall, it probably takes about an hour, but it gives me a nice clean razor whenever I need it. I generally charge the razor up probably once, maybe twice a week. And like I said, the only reason I let it go a little bit is simply because those little cutting heads, or those little cleaning fluids, I should say, are a little bit pricey. So I learned to go ahead and do without them just to make them last a little bit longer. Anyways, both these razors, they work out well. I always like the Braun idea on there. The Braun Self Clean razors work out very well. I will put a link to this new razor that I just took in. I will put a link to it in the description. I will also give you a few other bits of information in the description as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Well, I really appreciate that. It helps me to help out more people. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time today. Hello there. Welcome to Scott Lynch Pub. My name is Scott Lynch, and I'm joined here by my mother, Patty West. We will be discussing the nonprofit that we are soon to create.
So the nonprofit is called the Place of Purpose Community, and we started this nonprofit to help patients with Friedreich's ataxia, adults with Friedreich's ataxia, to have a place to live and share in the cost of caregiving and living and things of that nature. So that's what we're going to be discussing.
And there'll probably be a few more videos to follow up after this. Right now, we're just going to stick with this one video for now. Hopefully we'll be able to have more to it later on. And I encourage anybody to watch this video, not just people with Friedreich's, but people that have other kinds of ataxia, because we will be adding to the list later on. We'll look at just getting started with Friedreich's ataxia healthy, but like I said, we'll have more to it later on. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started.